Bitcoin, should we panic? You want to know everything about the crypto world? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News. Crypto to the max. Bitcoin is not doing okay, $65,000, but we have good news today. For example, this one. Another Bitcoin ETF is starting trading this week in Australia. This is operated by Van Eck, and it's one more to add to all the ETFs we have out there. And we have this information interesting also today from Michael Saylor that 32 Bitcoin spot ETFs are holding one Nakamoto. What is one Nakamoto? The idea of 1 million Bitcoin. So we had that on May the 27th, and it's just growing and growing. Now they have 38,000 more Bitcoin. You see here the value in dollars. That means this is 58 billions here, 69 billions in total. So a lot in United States, also a lot considering the global ETFs in the world. And Michael Saylor that wants to have one Nakamoto maybe one day. Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy, they are buying Bitcoin like crazy. Some others, they are fighting for it. We have here just this video from institutions trying to have all the Bitcoin they can. BlackRock and Fidelity now owning a combined 477,121. That's worth $31.4 billion. That's a lot. If you compare it what you hold, well, that's actually a lot. BlackRock and Fidelity owning that combined quantity, and you see that MicroStrategy has 262.721 less than these two. But any case, it's a huge amount that MicroStrategy has, and they are buying, 700 million worth of Bitcoin. That will add to all these investments they have. I'm going to leave you this site for MicroStrategy's BTC investment market cap, so you can check the average price for that Bitcoin, which is 28,265 approximately. And also you have the total value of those purchases and the total value right now if you are interested in watching how good is live now for MicroStrategy and for Michael Saylor. Also consider this good piece of information. It took gold ETFs 4 years to cross 15 billion in inflows, net inflows. Bitcoin did it in just 5 months. That's the power of Bitcoin. And we have more good news. Largest European telecom, Deutsche Telekom, will start mining Bitcoin. It's happening, according to Bitcoin Magazine. Also, Chinese telecom giant Coldpath to drop 13.5 million on Bitcoin mining rigs. So more and more companies interested in Bitcoin, and not just companies and institutions, but also politicians. Now we have this piece of information. Joe Biden and his administration will be attending a Bitcoin and crypto roundtable in DC in July. So now Biden wants to be a crypto bro. I wrote a little bit more. It seems it's not going to be attended by Biden himself, but some of people from government. But any case, trying to show some interest in the crypto world so they don't lose all the votes to Trump because of crypto. I told you everything about that in previous videos. So watch them all, and then you know everything about the election year and how this affects Bitcoin price. And one more for the good ones today. SEC's chief of crypto asset enforcement division, David Hirsch, has left the role. That is awesome. We want everybody in the SEC to go away because they are like the worst, even though he says goodbye saying he accomplished a lot of good stuff. Well, I want to remind you about FTX, Celsius, and all the rest. So this is the last one for you. And now everybody is wondering, where is this guy going to appear? Maybe working for Ripple, maybe working for Coinbase, Binance, who knows? Interested that law enforcers then became people working for crypto companies. We'll see about that. And if we have all this good news, why is that we are going down with Bitcoin price? We lost $67,000 and we are stopping 65, 64. Maybe that's that. Well, I draw this line, remember, and we break it a little bit. So should we panic? Maybe so. Why are we going down if we have good pieces of information? Well, remember, Jerome Powell didn't do us a favor. Watch previous videos. And also, Bitcoin ETFs are cooling as crypto funds post biggest losses since March. Well, we know that those inflows are not coming. We have to just draw a new red day. And remember, previous video we talked about the weekly. And we are in a red week, closed already. And this week is being red right now also. So, are you greedy? Are you panicking? I'm still greedy. And how is that even possible? Well, it's because of this crazy idea from Thomas that may be true or not. But the thing is, he believes that 65,000 is the risk. What does this mean? The idea that this is the average price for billions in those ETFs acquisitions. So companies buying at this price, they are allegedly not going to allow price to go lower. That might be true or not. What do you think about that? But that's the point. Also, it's the same price. We are trading it at 3 years post the moment. Also, presidential candidate fighting to show they are the most pro. So, yeah, we are close to the highs we had in 2021. Also, these things that now the most important people in the world, the politicians, they are pro crypto, and also that's an average price. I find very interesting that true, if they have this average price for Bitcoin, well, you don't want your investment to go down, so they might help the price to remain there. We'll see about that. This is the drawing that we might follow, but also we have another possibility here from another expert that believes that we might go even lower till we start going up. And he's drawing around $40,000. So we'll see about that. What do you think about that? Consider previous lows. Maybe we have to retest this line. That's $50,000. Also, Bitcoin price movement quite crazy. According to Ottaviani, the idea here is that it's better to hodl than trade so that you don't lose your money. And you can see the volatile period we are on right now because we have all these wicks in the candles, long ones, up and down all over. So yeah, interesting times for Bitcoin. And maybe just moments before we start going up, maybe because of this pattern, Titan of Crypto telling us that we might be into a fake double top that will bring us up. I went to TradingView. You have the link in the description below, and you can see there the price action we had at that point. If we just go to the moment we are right now, you can see it's quite similar. Well, if that's the case, we might be around 50 something for August, and then September, October, we will start rallying. So, well, maybe a possibility out there. Maybe we are into a shoulders and head pattern that will bring us to the top. This is the idea from the Crypto Prof. And also Super Bro telling us that we still having the same pattern we had in 2017. And you can compare here those pictures. And yeah, maybe we need this bounce in the 50 moving average, the red line, and start going up. It all has to do with dollar, of course, now still in the triangle I told you yesterday. And also we told you about this line. We are just touching it. Watch previous video. I told you how we might follow this path due to dollar. This is information you have in the last two videos. Also, we talk about the gap in the CME futures, and it's closed for good. So now we are ready for going up. And also about this moving average of 25 that I have to move again this blue line because we are breaking it. We are south from the green line and we don't like that whatsoever. I want to tell you about meme coins like the one from Abella Danger and some others. The bubbles are today in the red. and you know all about this on dexters.io. Of course, there you'll have information about the market. Today, CK Sync, interesting pair going up and down because of the airdrop. Remember, I didn't catch any of that, and you haven't sent me any. So that's sad. You have the address donation on funontheright.com. You can send me some. Thank you very much. And today we talk about creating tokens because Tether USDT, the world's largest stablecoin issuer, just launched a new synthetic dollar backed by gold. On Monday, Alloy debuted on Ethereum network, allowing users create tokens collateralized by Tether's tokenized gold, XAUT. Tether also outlined plans to launch a tokenization platform that would facilitate the creation of digital assets, including bonds, stocks, funds, and loyalty reward points. Really interesting, but we have it already with dextools.io. You can see on those banners that we can create our tokens. I told you yesterday, and remember, I leave you the link in the description below so that you know how to create your own token and take advantage. You can go there, click on create your token, and you have frequently asked questions out there. The benefits using this platform, like for example, it's so easy, and you have the trust of dextools.io, their smart contracts. They are going to help you. Also, if you wonder how much does it cost, well, you have to understand you're going to need some liquidity and some fees that you have to pay, and those depends on the blockchain you use. Which ones can you use? Ethereum, BNB, Base, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Polygon, Optimus, and Pulse right now. And what should we do after creating the token? Of course, you need some liquidity. Even on dexters.io, they are going to help you with these emails. So yeah, go now and you can create your token like Waka Flocka Flame, for example, that now is in the market and it's facing insider trading allegations. Remember that out there, most of the tokens created are scams or things like that. Remember Daddy, remember Mother, and remember also Us from Abella Danger. We told you about those. Also remember my bad investment in GME here with CoinX. Right now, I'm going down. I'm losing my investment. This is not good. I should have gone to CoinX and there buy another one, a different one, maybe Bitcoin or Ethereum. You have a link in the description below if you want to buy with our partner on CoinX. Thank you very much. Again, this is the chart for GME, and you can laugh at myself because I tried to be a trader and I should have been Bitcoin holder, of course. Ethereum is holding with the body of the candle in this random line we draw, but we lost this one, which is not good for Ethereum. So we are looking again to the yellow line, which is $3,000. Sad day for Ethereum. Even though we have crazy information, Ethereum on exchanges is at its lowest level since 2016. Liquidity crisis that we might have now in July when we have the ETF for Ethereum. Any case, let's chill a little bit, even though the market can be just mocking us, making fun of us. We still need to rest. This is not all about the money. Of course, we want to be happy and keep on learning. Maybe about artificial intelligence with our last video, really interesting one about Dream Machine. And maybe you want more about crypto, then it's time for you to watch one of the videos that you haven't from the last period of time. And tomorrow you'll have a new crypto news here with Rodrigo Arnedo, fun on the ride, health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!